it's like your gift. It's your gift. So it's like really comes easy to you, whatever this is. Hi Leo, thanks for being here. I'm gonna get a collective reading for the Leo energy. Always use your own discernment and intuition with my readings. You know it's for you and you know it's not, so always trust yourself. Also, with the collective reading, take what resonates with you and leave the rest. I did go ahead and get some energy already. The first thing I seen was a R and a L. That gave me real life, or right left. I think that it's going to, be different for different people. Also, I saw like a long building. Now this could be like an office building. I put down like office, church, school. It was a very long building. I don't know how that's going to be significant for people. Another thing is that rain and water were significant. I would say that is pointing to cleansing. I also seen a woman with dark hair, shoulder length, thick, could have been curly. It was a silhouette, so I couldn't really tell, but it was, really thick and shoulder length. I don't know if that's significant to somebody. Also, I saw like a baby bundled. That gave me protection vibes on something new that's incoming, so we can get more into it and see. I also got the numbers 55, 1, 42, 6, 22, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 12 and 33. So I pulled some cards, and the first card I got was freedom. Then union. Nature. And then I have gifts. Grief. Insight. And sacred space. So the first thing I want to point out is that with the freedom and the union and the nature, I think someone may have the energy of being cleansed of something, and it's going to welcome the union of their true nature. It also could be a union with nature itself. But I really have a feeling of somebody accepting and even celebrating like their true nature, their authenticity. With the gifts, the grief, and the insight, and the sacred space. Well, first thing is the sacred space has the nest with the eggs and the 2 birds, and then I saw the baby. I see protection. There's a lot of protection here. With the gifts, I see that if like there's some kind of gift here in your true nature. There could have been something that pulled you away from that with the grief. That kind of shelled you in or kind of caged you in a little bit. With the insight, you're going to see this. You're going to see this gift or the benefits of your true nature and why you should, celebrate yourself for who you are and your authenticity. I'm going to pull more cards on this. Another thing that did come up is with the grief card, something could have also happened to kind of open you up to some spiritual gifts. Sometimes when we go through grief, we kind of desensitize ourselves to spirit in ways that we might not have been before. So this also could be the case. We have the King of Wands. With the King of Wands, I see a lot of passionate energy. Something that really like sparks you with these gifts and freedom. Like whatever this is, like really brings you joy. It's like a passion. Page of Cups. Someone could bring a message in for you. And this comes over the grief card. So something, and it feels real spiritual, but you could be having signs or synchronicities from like a lost loved one. Yeah, insight. This seems really spiritual, really like somebody is accessing something. With the World in reverse, usually that can mean like cycles and stuff, but I'm not seeing it that way right now. I'm seeing it as in a way like it's like RL, like not like real life, and then or like reality, and then like you're tapping into something else. What else can I say here for Leo? What else can I say here for Leo? And there's some kind of union here. Page of Pentacles over the Page of Cups. Yeah, so, oh, wow. So with the Page of Pentacles, that's a lot of like earthly energy, materialistic energy. And the Page of Cups is more of an intuitional, psychic, nurturing energy. And they're crossing each other. Like somebody is seeing something, and this could be something, either messages coming in, but this also shows like beginner energy. And with it crossing over, you could have like two things coming in, and like one in materialistic way and then one in a spiritual way. What can I say here about the union? This union card is really standing out to me. A message coming in. The Knight of Wands is fast energy. There could be a union that you get some kind of message or information on about very fast moving energy. What else about this union? A wish fulfillment. Yeah. So, and it's a wish fulfillment here with this union. So this could be any kind of union. It could be something spiritual. Maybe you're picking up new practices or something like that. It could be a relationship with somebody, romantic, financial, family. Especially with the baby, somebody could be welcoming a new baby. There may be some anxiety or fear around this this union. And it's not something that I got the Magician in reverse and the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, it feels like something that you don't have to manifest and you don't have to kind of work for. It's kind of going to flow in. And it won't be something that's hard, because it's like your true nature. It's like your gift. It's your gift. So it's like really comes easy to you, whatever this is. Whatever this is. It comes like really easy to you. You feel free while you're doing it. Well, it brings new insights. And them insights may flip things around, especially with the World in reverse. That's what else it's giving me. It's like you have this insight that kind of flips your perception around. You see things from a different angle. But I do see a lot of protection around whatever is happening here. And can I have a closing message for Leo? Luck. That's beautiful. So you're going to feel very lucky. You may have something happen where you just feel like luck is on your side. And night. So something may happen at night. This does have a full moon. We have a full moon coming up. So this could have the, some kind of revelation or something that, switches your view, or could come in on this full moon on May 1st. Or if you're watching this at another time, it could just be any full moon. Is there any other closing messages for Leo? Preparation. You're being prepared to really be abundant and have good luck and like really feel free and just like so authentic, and things are just going to come easy to you because you're in this energy. Well, Leo, I hope that this has helped, and I thank you for being here. Always remember that you are loved and blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.